In this video, I'm going to show you the best and the fastest way to get sales on Clickbank. We're going to exactly do what these accounts are doing right now to generate daily commissions from affiliate marketing. I will go through the entire process of how you can create a successful business like this and earn daily commissions from Clickbank without any experience. I'll show you how you can find content ideas that will be appealing to consumers, and I'll show you how you can create the content itself in a matter of clicks. Then lastly, if you stay till the end, I'll show you how you can create multiple income streams with just a single piece of content. And we'll be using the power of AI to make this much easier for you. I'll take you through the entire process and provide you with valuable tips to help you get quicker results. So, make sure to watch this video till the end to get all the necessary information. Okay, let's jump right in. What we're doing here is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an easy-to-understand business model that's hard to master. So here's a general overview of what we're going to do in this video. This is a 4-step process. First step is to choose a niche and selecting a product to promote. Second step, finding content ideas. In this step, I'll show you the best ways you can get ideas for your content, and I'll be even using AI for this, so you don't have to worry about creating your own content. Third step, creating content in a matter of minutes. Whether it's a YouTube video, YouTube short, Instagram reel, or a Pinterest pin, I'll show you how you can create them in a matter of clicks. Fourth step, uploading content and creating multiple income streams. Now that you have an overview of what we're doing, let's go to the first step. When choosing a niche, I recommend you choosing a niche from these 3 niches. The 3 niches are health, wealth, and relationships. After you choose a niche, you have to find a product to promote within that niche. We're going to use Clickbank for this. Personally, I wouldn't really promote products from Clickbank. And if you want to know what I would promote as an affiliate, I've created a special document with all my favorite affiliate programs in it. If you want it, you can download it completely free from the link in the description. But for this video, I'm going to use Clickbank. Now, if you're going to use Clickbank, the #1 most important metric to look out for is the gravity score. Gravity score depicts how well other affiliates have done with this product in the past few weeks. So make sure to choose a product with a gravity score above 100. For this video, I'm going to use this product. Okay, now that you've chosen a niche and a product, we can move on to the second step. Now don't start guessing content ideas that you feel like will work, because there are so many ways you can get content ideas that actually work. And in this video, we're going to talk about the 2 best ways that you can find content ideas. First way is to get ideas from your competitors. Don't worry. Getting ideas for your content from other people isn't going to get you into any trouble. Nobody comes up with original ideas nowadays. Even YouTube channels with millions of subscribers get their ideas like this. They do this because that is what's working right now. And they know that a lot of people are going to engage with that. Let's say I'm in the astrology niche and this is a competitor of mine. What I would do is go through their content and gather content ideas from their best performing videos. Don't do this with only one account. You're going to have to find at about 5 to 10 competitors and do this to each one of them. And also I'm going to see how they have created and designed their content. As you can see, all these accounts looks almost the same. So what you also want to do is create content like your competitors, because it's what's working. And if you are wondering where they got these amazing background pictures, you can find these types of pictures from Pinterest. See, it's really easy and all you have to do is copy what's working. But don't just exactly copy their content. Add your own twist to it. Stand out from other pieces of content. Aim to be better than your competitors. One way you can easily stand out is by adding more information to your content. Add things people can't get from your competitors. Just think that you're going to do one thing better than your competitor did. Just one thing, and it doesn't have to be something big. For example, let's say you're not going to drag the opening title screen. Something as simple as that. Second way is to use ChatGPT to create content ideas for you. Just ask ChatGPT to create your content for you. As you can see on the screen, I generated this with just only these 2 prompts. For an example, ask ChatGPT for ideas for 10 TikTok videos that's in the astrology niche. It will give these ideas in seconds. After that, ask GPT to expand on these ideas. Then it will give you something like this. Now, you don't have to create the video exactly the way it says you to create it. Add things you like or remove things you don't like. Both of the ways I showed you now are great options. If you don't have much time to invest in this business, you can use ChatGPT. But what I really recommend is the first way, which is going to get you way better results. Okay, after you got content ideas to create, let's go to the third step of the process. Canva is a user-friendly website for creating graphics and designs. You can literally create anything you want with only a matter of clicks. This is a completely free software, and you can use this no matter how little graphic design knowledge you have, because they've made it so easy for you to use. You can search whatever you want from here, and click it. Then you will be directed to a page like this where you can edit whatever you want. Here you have so many different templates to choose from. You can upload images or videos in here, and you can drag and drop anything from here. Now, I won't be going too deep into this topic because there are so many awesome tutorials for Canva on YouTube. These videos will guide you through Canva step by step, better than I can. So, make sure to check them out. Now, with that out the way, let's move on to the next step. Now, this is the most important part of this process. Now, as you can see, these accounts are uploading content every single day. What they are doing is they are directing these views to their affiliate links and generating income. Now, to direct these viewers to your links, you can add something known as a call to action. This is also known as a CTA. This means we're actually telling our views to take action, and the action is clicking our link. For example, if this is the product I'm promoting, I'll add a call to action like check the link in the bio to find out what your soulmate looks like, or something like that. Now, if we don't add a call to action to our content, people won't know there is a link there. So always make sure to add a call to action to your content. Now, there are so many platforms for you to upload whatever content you created. Now, what platform should you upload your content to? There's only one answer to this, and it's every last one of them. Yeah, let's say you created a short-form video like this. You shouldn't just upload it to YouTube Shorts or TikTok. You can upload this to Instagram Reels, Pinterest, Facebook, and every other platform that supports these types of short-form content. Think about it. This will not take you any extra effort. With this, you can multiply your traffic, and more traffic means more chances to make a sale from affiliate marketing. And a very important side note here, when adding affiliate links to any kind of social media platform, never add the affiliate URL you got from the affiliate program. Always make sure to either use bit.ly to shorten the URL, or use something like Linktree, because these platforms will definitely ban you. And you can't add any URL on TikTok until you pass 1,000 followers, so you'd have to wait a few days before you can put a link on TikTok. Now, if you want to see decent results with this, make sure to be consistent in your efforts. If you choose to create short-form content, at least publish one post or video per day. For things like long-form videos, at least one video per week. Now remember, there will always be issues popping out here and there. That's just life. Just put in enough hard work and hang in there if you want to see results. And also make sure to watch this video as well.